In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Power BI Desktop to Google BigQuery. Connecting these two powerful tools can greatly enhance your data analysis capabilities, giving you robust insights with just a few clicks. Before we dive into the steps, make sure you're prepared with a few things: a Google Cloud project with BigQuery enabled, the necessary credentials, either your Google account with the right permissions or a service account with a JSON key, and Power BI Desktop, preferably the 64-bit version for handling larger datasets efficiently. Additionally, if you plan on using the direct query mode or working with very large tables, understand the performance and quota implications in BigQuery, as this can affect your data interactions. Let's get started. Begin by opening Power BI Desktop on your computer. Once it's open, navigate to the Home tab and click on Get Data. A menu will appear, and from there, select More to open the comprehensive Get Data window. Here, you can utilize the search bar to find BigQuery, or simply type in Google BigQuery to highlight the connector you need. After locating BigQuery, it's time to select your preferred authentication method. Power BI provides a couple of options for this. You can use your organizational account, which utilizes OAuth with your Google user credentials. Alternatively, you can use a service account and authenticate via a JSON key file. If you choose the latter, ensure you have the required JSON contents ready to paste when prompted. In the subsequent step, Power BI will request your billing project ID. This ID is crucial as it indicates which Google Cloud project will handle the query costs. There might also be an opportunity to explore advanced options. Here, you can refine your connection by specifying SQL query overrides, setting up custom SQL queries, or adjusting settings like whether to utilize nested fields. These advanced options allow for a more tailored interaction with your data. Once you've entered the necessary information, you need to decide on the mode of connection: import or direct query. In import mode, Power BI will copy the data directly into its model. This approach is typically faster and more efficient for smaller to medium-sized datasets. On the other hand, direct query queries the data live from BigQuery, which is advantageous for analyzing very large datasets, or if you need data that's as close to real-time as possible. Keep in mind, however, that some Power BI functionalities might be restricted or perform slower in direct query mode. Proceed to sign in and authenticate. If you've chosen OAuth, simply sign in with your Google account and ensure the necessary permissions are granted. For those using a service account, input the service account email and JSON key as needed, sometimes requiring you to add the JSON content into a specific field. After successfully connecting, the navigator window will present itself, showcasing the datasets, tables, and views available from BigQuery. At this point, you can select the specific tables or views you wish to explore. If adjustments are needed, such as filtering or reshaping the data, opt for the Transform Data option for further modification. Finally, if everything is set, clicking Load will bring your data into Power BI in import mode, or it will create a live connection for direct query. Should you need to refine or clean your data, perhaps renaming fields or expanding nested JSONs, use the Transform Data option to engage with Power Query. And there you have it, a clear pathway to harnessing the combined power of Power BI and Google BigQuery for insightful data analysis.